First question. During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Mauritius in 2025, he gifted which of the following GI tag items to the Mauritian president? Okay, so recently March ki hoisile amar PM Narendra Modi ji, he went to Mauritius and he gifted some GI tag product to the Mauritian president. So amak ki koise, amak sarita statement dot beleg product dia hoy ase GI product bur aru tar bhitor kun kita product amar Modi ji e Mauritius president to gift korisile hetu amak khudise. Okay, so this is totally based on current affairs, right? Aru etu ki hoy totally based on current affairs plus it is totally factual. If you are following current affairs, then you can answer this question. Otherwise, you cannot answer this question. So, out of these 4 statements, the correct statement is B.